Hello everyone. Now we can see the difference between atomic number and mass number. We are very much familiar with this word, that is atomic number and mass number, from our childhood. But what is exactly atomic number and mass number stands for? Let us see. As we are knowing, whenever we are having a central part of an atom, that is called as nucleus, and this nucleus is going to contain some proton and neutron. And this nucleus is surrounded by some shells which are containing some kind of electrons. So these are the fundamental parts. They are going to give information regarding to atomic number and mass number. That means in nucleus, which subparticles are there? Definitely protons and neutrons. And at extranuclear region, that means at the presence of shells, which are present electrons. So protons, neutrons and electrons. These three names can make a definition of atomic number and mass number. Now let us start with the atomic number. Now what is atomic number? Atomic number is nothing but the number of protons which are present at nucleus, and this number is always equals to number of electrons which are present in shells. Now how come? We already have discussed that in case of nucleus there are presence of protons and neutrons, in which neutron is having no any charge but the proton is having positive charge. That is the charge which is given to that particular nucleus, and we are considering nucleus as a positively charged particle. But that positively charged particle produces some force of attraction towards the negatively charged particle, that means electron. So electrons are revolving, electrons are attracting towards the proton. So in which that the number of positive charge in nucleus is always equals to number of negatively charged in shells. That is why the number of protons present in shell is always equal to the number of electrons present in number of protons present in nucleus is always equals to the number of electrons present in shells. And this number is called as atomic number. Let us take an example first. Suppose if we are having example of boron, we are considering boron is having 5 is the atomic number. That means the boron contains how many number of protons? Obviously it is 5. And how many number of electrons? Once again it is 5. As boron contains 5 electrons and boron contains 5 proton as well. So this is the number which gives the information of atomic number. But what is mass number then? Can mass number is exactly with same to the atomic number? No. Mass number is the number which gives the information regarding to the mass. So what is mass? Mass is the weight. And the entire mass of an atom is concentrating at the center only. This we already have studied according to the Rutherford's postulates. According to the Rutherford's postulate, every atom has concentrated mass at the center, that means at the nucleus part. So in nucleus, how many subparticles are there? Roughly only 2. Which are they? Proton and neutron. So this mass number is only regarding with the protons and neutrons. So what is it? This mass number. Mass number is nothing but a number of proton plus number of electrons. The total number of protons and total number of neutrons present in nucleus, that number is called as mass number. That means proton plus neutron gives the information of mass number. That means, suppose if we take an example of magnesium. Magnesium is having atomic number 12. And what is the atomic weight? Atomic weight, it has 24. That means how many number of protons are there? And how many number of neutrons are there? And how many number of electrons are there? We know the atomic number means number of protons is equals to number of electron. That means what is the atomic number? The same number of protons are present. What is the atomic number? 12. That means 12 number of protons are present in magnesium. And the equal same number of electrons are present in the same particular atom as the 12 protons, so 12 electrons. So what is the number of neutron then? How can we calculate the number of neutron? We know the mass number. What is the mass number? Proton plus neutron. How many protons we have? 12. And what is the mass number we have? So according to this formula, just consider mass number is nothing but proton plus neutron. We are having mass number 24 for this magnesium. How many protons are present? 12 plus n. So we can get the information n is equals to 12. That means 12 number of neutrons are present in that particular magnesium atom. Now, this atomic number are going to denote by a symbol capital Z. Mass number are going to denote by a symbol capital A. And the number of neutrons are going to symbolize by a capital N. So by using this A, N and Z, we can make a formula like that. Mass number is proton plus neutron. Mass number is nothing but A. So A is equals to P plus N. But what is P? Number of protons are nothing but atomic number. So we can make A is equals to Z, and N is the number of neutrons that we are considering capital N. So we are having a new formula. A is equals to Z plus N. That means how can we calculate a mass number? We just have to add our atomic number, that is Z, into a number of neutrons present, that is capital N. By the summation of Z and N, we can easily get valuable information regarding this mass number. Thank you.